Eggs are a highly nutritious food that can provide many benefits for your health. Here are some of the benefits of eating eggs. Eggs are considered to be one of the best sources of high-quality protein, as they contain all the essential amino acids needed by the body to build and repair tissues. They are also rich in essential nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin E, and folate. Eggs are also a good source of minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium. Eating eggs may also help with weight loss, because eggs are low in calories and can help you feel full for longer periods of time, which may help you eat less overall and lose weight. They are good for your brain health. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient that is important for brain health and development. Choline is used by the body to make acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is important for memory and learning. Eating eggs may also lower risk of heart disease, although eggs are high in cholesterol. Studies have shown that they do not increase the risk of heart disease in most people. In fact, some studies have suggested that eating eggs may actually lower the risk of heart disease. Overall, eggs can be a healthy addition to your diet, as long as you consume them in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for some more tasty wisdom.